People who talk to themselves are often misunderstood. Some think it's strange. Some think it's a sign of loneliness. Some think it means something is wrong. But psychology tells a very different story. In fact, people who talk to themselves often have stronger minds than those who don't. From a young age, we're taught to keep thoughts inside. Talking to yourself is labeled as weird, immature, or something you should grow out of, so most people suppress it. But what if that habit, the one people judge, is actually a sign of mental processing and intelligence? Here's the truth most people don't realize. Talking to yourself is not a flaw. It's a cognitive tool. Your brain is constantly running conversations, questioning, planning, rehearsing, correcting. When you talk to yourself out loud, you're not losing control. You're organizing chaos. Psychologists call this self-directed speech, and it plays a powerful role in how humans think, learn, and regulate emotions. Once you understand why the brain does this, your self-talk starts to make sense. Let's slow this down. Reason 1. It improves focus and clarity. When thoughts stay trapped in your head, they stay messy. Speaking them out loud forces structure. You hear your own logic. You catch mistakes. You slow racing thoughts. That's why people talk to themselves when solving problems or making decisions. Reason 2. It regulates emotions. Self-talk isn't just thinking, it's self-soothing. When you say things like, calm down, it's okay, or I can handle this, you're actively calming your nervous system. This is emotional regulation in real time. Reason 3. It builds self-awareness. People who talk to themselves tend to reflect more. They replay conversations. They question their reactions. They analyze behavior. That's not overthinking. That's self-monitoring. Awareness grows in silence or in quiet self-dialogue. Reason 4. It strengthens memory and learning. Studies show that saying things out loud improves recall. When you hear your own voice, your brain creates stronger memory links. That's why athletes, students, and high performers often speak instructions to themselves. Reason 5. It creates inner leadership. Here's the part most people miss. Talking to yourself is how you become your own guide. You don't wait for reassurance. You don't need constant validation. You coach yourself, correct yourself, encourage yourself. That's independence. The real issue isn't talking to yourself. The issue is what you say when you do. Negative self-talk can reinforce fear and doubt, but conscious self-talk builds confidence and direction. Instead of criticizing yourself, speak like a mentor would. Ask better questions. Give clear instructions. Offer reassurance, not insults. Your brain listens, especially to your own voice. Talking to yourself doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're thinking. It means you're processing life out loud instead of running from it. So the next time you catch yourself talking to yourself, don't stop. Listen. You might be hearing the clearest voice you have, still rising forever.